So most of the beginners, they think that starting late is a mistake, but always remember, dear friend, starting late is not the mistake. Starting without structure, that is a mistake. So if you are thinking to start your GS preparation in the month of January, so please listen it very carefully, dear friend. Don't start your preparation randomly, dear friend. Reading random books, random YouTube lectures, that will not help you, dear friend, because for UPSC civil services preparation, the issue is not that you are starting late. The issue is that you are starting without any structure. So GS is not about reading more. GS is about building your concepts. GS is about writing your good answers and getting it evaluated from expert faculties, dear friend. So many aspirants, they waste 4 to 6 months before realizing that it's too late, dear friend. So if you are starting in month of January and if you are focused and dedicated, so we at Analytics IS, dear friend, are going to start our new foundation batch from 19th of January, dear friend, for those who want clarity and those who are not confused, dear friend. If you have any doubt, please call on the number given below.